Hey there, so how to install USAA Safe Pilot app? It's available in select states. So just tap get and then just double click to install, and then you'll just be able to install. And this program instructs, inspires and rewards safe driving habits to help keep safe on the road while lowering your premium. So and this is like a special program, and participation in this program is currently limited to USAA members with an active auto insurance policy in select states. USAA Safe Pilot app instructs, inspires, and rewards safe driving habits to help you keep safe on the road. If eligible, members can receive a discount of up to 10% for enrolling and participating in the program, and earn a premium discount at the renewal time for being safe drivers. And then when you just activate this app, it just monitors your driving habits, including phone handling, hands-free phone use, harsh braking, and how much you drive. The better you drive, the greater discount to your next premium. And then you can just tap open, and then you can just tap to verify enrollment, and then you need to enter your domestic phone number, and then just verify your phone number, and you should be enrolled already at USAA app itself. So you need to get this USAA mobile app and just participate in a program there. I don't know if this program available to for everyone, or maybe it's only in United States for for eligible categories, maybe like veterans and